Over the last 24 hours, Ukraine has been steadfastly maintaining a defensive posture and putting up effective resistance against Russia. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine shared a report on the latest attacks of the Ukrainian army. According to the report, the Ukrainian Air Force bravely carried out 11 strikes targeting Russian military personnel, weapons and equipment. These strikes were carried out to maintain Ukraine's air superiority and limit the enemy's mobility. However, the Ukrainian rocket forces and artillery are also acting effectively on the ground. Over the last 24 hours, they have targeted areas where Russian military personnel are located, weakening the enemy's offensive capabilities. In addition, Ukrainian artillery units effectively destroyed 14 artillery pieces, reducing the enemy's firepower. Attacks on ammunition storage points also have a negative impact on the enemy's logistical capabilities. At the same time, Ukraine's defense forces are effectively countering Russia's anti-aircraft missile systems. In the last 24 hours, one Russian anti-aircraft missile system was destroyed. Moreover, the Ukrainian army inflicted further losses on the Russian army in the last 24 hours. The Russian army lost 8 tanks, 36 artillery systems and 1 air defense system against Ukraine. How do the 11 strikes by the Ukrainian Air Force targeting Russian military personnel, weapons and equipment affect Ukraine's air superiority? How effective are these strikes in limiting Russia's air operations? We look forward to your views.